Alright guys, Joe with Colab Garage. We are here just doing a quick video of how to remove and install your parachute from your R8 or Huracan. The example vehicle that we're going to use today is on an R8. So the first thing you're going to do if the car is all buttoned up is pop the rear hatch. So right here in the engine bay, you'll see your pull cable, and you'll just pull that up. And it has a locking pin in the center, so you'll just pull it up till it's all the way at the top, just like that. And then you'll also need to walk around to the passenger side. And you'll need to push, there's a safety pin underneath that you'll pull out. And then you'll push the handle all the way forward, just like that. And when you come around to the back of the vehicle, you will see the cable latches into a little capture mechanism that you just kind of lift up and push out of the way, just like so. And then you'll be able to pull the parachute from the vehicle. When you pull it out, there's a little locating pin, so you're going to twist 90 degrees and you'll slide it out of the vehicle. You see that little locating pin? Okay, so when you're going to reinstall your parachute, you'll have the cable in the upward position. Twist it at 90 degrees so you don't drag the locating pin, and you just kind of push it in. Once it gets past the bumper, you push it straight up. You'll feel that locating pin go in, and then you can just go up to the cable in the engine bay, push your thumb down, and lock it in place. If it goes down, it's in place, and it's locked in, just like that. So then to reinstall the cable that allows you to release the mechanism, you're going to pull that ball, and then you see you're going to catch it right in that. It's that simple. And then you'll walk around to the front. You'll see that you have your handle in the forward position. Before you put it in there, you're going to want to put your Colab Garage safety pin back in, which is going to be hard to film. It's the only hole that's down there. And then you can no longer push it all the way forward, and you're ready to use your parachute.